Hey guys, today we're going to be opening up some college football 25 cards and see if we boom or bust on this. The boom and bust matrix are if we make our money and if we get some good Tulane players or some good autographed cards or just some cool cards in general. We'll be grading it off a cool factor and a money factor too, so let's get right into it. You get 6 packs of 10 cards, so I guess let's get into it. Really excited for this. I don't really know the whatever you call it, the special order for these things, but let's get into it. Okay. Ooh, that's a nice card. Oh, I'm pretty sure he's got drafted by the New Orleans Saints. That's a pretty cool card. Oh, gotta sneeze. Holy chic. Okay. So far, that was not a good pack. I don't think any of those were a numbered card or a signature card, so that was horrible. Okay, and all these feel bent for some reason. Like, look, they're all bent. Son, you're kidding me, son. Ooh, I don't even know who the hell he is. I've never seen him play as a quarterback. He's a quarterback. What the hell? Huh, that's a weird card. Okay, I've never seen him play as a quarterback for Michigan, but I'm also not the biggest Michigan fan. And that was another dud pack. Wow. So far the swag meter is not doing justice. And we also haven't had a Tulane player. Georgia. Ooh. That's a pretty cool card. Oh, and it's a numbered. Bryce Underwood. Oh, this one actually has to be some straight heat. Ooh, and it gets a schedule too. Road to Glory. That's a really good pack. Okay. Daria Mensa is the guy that left Tulane for Duke. Kind of want to really want to destroy this card, but yeah, I'm actually gonna like that card. Do like Daria Mensa a lot, even though he did leave Tulane for that money, but I can't even blame him at the end of the day. Cool. Ooh, that's a pretty cool card. I like that one a lot. That color. Ooh, college rule book. Ty Simpson. Nice. Wow, it's not a good pack. Except that one. That one's kind of cool. That black jersey, Wisconsin. I feel like that actually might be a good card. I don't know, something about that card. Huh. The Utes. Wait, did we already get this guy? Oh, no, we didn't. Oh, that was a bust. Wow, down to our last pack. Wow, we haven't got one signature card. This is horrible. This is horrible. $50 down the drain like that. Ooh, I like that card a lot. Ooh, University of South Carolina, nice card. Wow, that was actually a horrible pack opening. I mean, am I just like didn't really go through these guys, or they're all actually a bunch of scrub players? I don't know, that one might be a good one because it has the weird warp effect. I mean, dude, all these are crap, 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 crap. Yeah. Wow. Straight buns. I mean, we did get a Bryce Underwood. I mean, since that is the highest paid player right now, I feel like that has to be worth a couple points. The Bryce Underwood card. And that South Carolina, like Road to Glory, Bryce Underwood. I feel like he got drafted. Who the hell is this guy? Like Darian Mensa. I like Darian Mensa. And then the South Carolina card. I mean, that's a pretty cool card. Can't even lie. But let's see if we scored on the money meter, because right now we did not score whatsoever on the swag meter. We only got really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I only really 1,